Hi Philippines, and we're back again in our mini vlog here in TikTok. This is your Inday Jaren. So for today's video guys, pupunta tayo sa isang new restaurant dito sa Alriga, Dubai. And this is Relax Restaurant. So we are invited by Sir Nahanud Anar, a good friend of my boss, Mr. Joubert. Hi guys, welcome to Relax, and I would like to invite you all to visit Relax Restaurant here in Alriga. Aba! Dati napapanood ko lang yung mga vloggers na to. But all of the Filipino vloggers were invited in this event. No? We have here Kuya Brian from our TikTok community, Queen Jade, and Sir Willard, at iba pang influencer natin.
And then we order also seafoods and drinks. Paano mag-vlog ko yan? And we order strawberry?
Berry banana.
Berry banana. We have berry banana. And of course, tilapia. Ito yung kasama ko ito. Delicious. 1/10. Rate. Nakikita. 9/10. Tilapia. Tilapia.
With Relax. Okay, and especially thanks to Ms. Ballard who arranged this all.
2, 3, go! Thank you, Relax!
I one more down.
Okay, 100% level of energy. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Thank you, Relax!
Three, yalla.
Thank you, Relax, for inviting us and the busog kami sa dito sa Relax and visit Relax dito sa Alriga, Dubai. Thank you so much, Relax.
Yes.